Hey guys, welcome to ResearchRocks. One more interesting video related on ChatGPT. Using ChatGPT, you can make your travel plan. How many tourist attraction in this particular country or particular city, and which one is the best? How you find cheapest accommodation, public transportation. You can ask anything traveling related informations, and ChatGPT are provide you detailed information. So let's start as a demonstration. So simply let's start as a demonstration. Before start the demonstration, please subscribe our YouTube channel ResearchRocks. Now I just simply open here ChatGPT. So now this is a ChatGPT. First of all, I ask the question how I travel one country to another country, how I travel Mumbai to Paris. Enter. So look at this, ChatGPT are providing me the answer. Travel Mumbai, India to Paris, France. You can take a flight, and several flights is available, including Air France, Emirates and British Airlines. So approximately 11 hours the specific time. You can take one hold during the translation. Now I see what is the price of approximately travel Mumbai to Paris. So now we can see here Paris to Mumbai depend upon factors such as time and year, how many advance you booking airlines. Look at this here, the cost anywhere from 50,000 to 1 lakh Indian rupees, or approximately 750 to 1,300 USDT, depend upon when you purchase the ticket, like how advanced today or 2 months ago, depend upon the situation. Can you provide me information how many tourist attraction in Paris city? So now look at this here, we are receiving the Paris city related information, culture, heritage, sunset, stunning architecture, and how many tourist attraction. The list are displayed here. This is simple. Now I ask here what is the price of ticket in Eiffel Tower. Now we see here knowledge of cutoff 2021 price visit of Eiffel Tower Paris, including depend upon the types in years. So elevator ticket is the second floor, adult 16 euro and child 8 euro. Elevator ticket is 25 euro and child is 12 euro. Oh, that is amazing. Next tourist attraction, what is the price ticket of Louvre Museum? Look at this here, 2021 Louvre Museum Paris is 15 euro. The same price. I also purchased the 15 euro ticket and then explore, depend upon the day and year. That is really amazing. All informations are coming here. Accordingly, you can make your traveling plan and ask the ChatGPT, and ChatGPT are providing you such kind of information. That one is really amazing. Can you provide me some of the images of Louvre Museum? I just as a demo point of view, sorry, I'm text-based language model, I am not providing you images. It's really amazing platform to make your traveling plan suitable and very easy. I'm asking the image related, but they are providing me like a website of Louvre Museum. Using this website you can see the all images and information. That one is really amazing. Can you provide me public transportation related information? What is the price of day pass? Look at this conversation. I'm not asking related on specific Paris, but I already asked the Paris related questions, so that continuously providing me the information. Look at this here, day pass price is 12 to 20 euro, depend the zone. So you can receive here some of the important information and then accordingly make the plan. So this is a simple way to ask anything and make your traveling related plan using ChatGPT. If you really like this video, so please hit the bell icon, subscribe our YouTube channel ResearchRocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.